Hey, good evening, welcome to
MinuteMath126.
MinuteMath126. This is an awesome number theory problem from the Mathematical Association of America's Minute Math page. And this is from an old AMC 8 contest, and only about 20% of the people got this one right. So it's a challenge. Are you ready?
Yeah.
A box contains gold coins. If the coins are equally divided among 6 people, 4 coins are left over. If the coins are equally divided among 5 people, 3 coins are left over. If the box has the smallest number of coins that meets both conditions, how many coins are left over when they're divided equally by 7 people?
Well,
right. Do you understand?
Yeah. It's
okay.
3. The number is 3 more than a multiple of 5.
3 more than a multiple of 5, that's right.
And 1 less. And a multiple of 6 is 1 less than it. Than the number.
Why is that?
Because when it's divided by 6 people, 4 coins are left over.
Okay. So what are we looking for?
Looking for a number. And when you divide it by 5, you have a remainder of 3.
Yep.
Is something remainder of 3.
Okay. X over 5 is a remainder of 3. Let's just write that 3 a little better. All right.
And X over 6 is something with a remainder of 4.
Okay, we're looking for the smallest number that meets those conditions. Okay, so how do you want to try to find that number?
Well, 25 is divisible by 5.
Yeah.
But 28, and then 29 is, but 28 isn't divisible by 6. 29 isn't divisible by 6. If you subtract 4 from the number, you'll get a multiple of 6.
Okay, if you subtract 4 from the number, you'll get a multiple of 6.
And if you subtract 3 from it, you'll get a multiple of 5.
Right. That's right. That's
so actually 28 might be the number. Because
okay.
if you subtract 4, you get 24.
All right.
If you subtract 3, you get 5. You get 25.
Okay, so we found 28. Good. We found it just kind of by luck. It might be the smallest. How should we figure out if it's the smallest?
Well, we can look at some multiples of 6.
Okay. We got 6, 12, 18, and 24.
We already checked 24.
Okay, how did we check 24?
Well, 24 plus 4 is 28.
Yep.
And 28 minus 3.
28 minus 3 is a multiple of 5. So we know this one worked because when we added 4 to it, we got 28, and then when we subtracted 3, we got a multiple of 5. Okay, what about this one? What about 18?
18, if you add 4 to it, it's 22,
yep.
Not divisible by 6. Well, 22, and then, when you...
First we add 4.
Yeah.
And then we get 22. And what do we have to check next?
We have to check with the 5.
Okay.
So what do we have to do?
Right, what do we have to do with 22?
We have to subtract 3.
Subtract 3?
19.
19? Not a multiple of 5. Okay, 12 plus 4 is 16.
Subtract 3
is
13.
Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. Subtract 3 is
7.
Okay, so 28 does seem to be the smallest. So what's the answer to the question?
It's when they're divided equally by 7 people. How many coins are left over? Well, the nearest multiple of 7 to this is 21. Actually, 28 is a multiple of 7.
Okay, so
there's 0 left over.
0 left over. Okay, very good. Very good. High five. We kind of stumbled through that problem, but you know what? That's okay. It's a challenging problem. You have to find a number that has a remainder of 3 when divided by 5 and a remainder of 4 when divided by 6, and then figure out what the remainder of 7 is, and we found it, 28. And the remainder when you divide by 7 is? 0. Good job, sweetie. Only 20% of the kids got that right, so that's a tricky problem. Good job.